hustle like Ginobili. Star Wars cause Kenobi. Tight grip on
my. A lot of shit going on with this motherfucking Corona, but fuck Corona thing. We ain't doing no. We making American style Chinese food, aka traprolls, aka egg rolls on cheap. That's what we whipping up today at Tissy's Roll Up in Tissy's Kitchen. These motherfucking trap rolls started. I got the ground beef. First thing, let me wash my hands, cause cleanliness is next to godliness. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go and wash my hands. They say wash your hands for 20 seconds or sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tissy. Happy birthday to you. We're gonna make these trap rolls. We just finna do something usually I wouldn't even put Parmesan in, triple cheddar, and American, but you know, we want them cheesy, baby. This one for the streets. We gotta make these extra cheesy. For some reason, I feel like I'm gonna need an egg, some water there. You seal them, cause I was trying to see how to seal them. Alright, let me go and get this ground beef browned up. That's first things first. Ground beef. Season ground. Bam! Bam! We're gonna put some seasoning on that. A little black pepper. That's in there. We're gonna throw some seasoning salt. Got to have the seasoning salt in there. That's the flavor. Some minced garlic. You know what I'm saying? Make it look like we doing something. Yeah, I want to put garlic in there. That make it look like we doing something. Onion powder. That bring out that boom boom bow. Some of this garlic powder. We're gonna put a lot of this in there because, like I say, this strengthens the immune system, and it's that time of the year we need a lot of this. Garlic powder. Motherfuckers ain't walking around like vampires. Breath stinking. I should have to explain to y'all how to ground beef. Everybody should know how to ground beef now. A bomb. Alright, we're gonna let that ground beef brown down. And once they get down, we're going to add the cabbage to it, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to add a little bit of motherfucking soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce to it to give it a little color. That's how we get the color we looking for. So we're going to use some store brand soy sauce. I usually shop at Jewel's. Bam! And I hope I got some Worcestershire sauce in here. Actually, I'm going to use this soy sauce. I didn't even know I had this one in there. This is the Kiko Man name brand. Bam! Woo! I thought I ain't had it, y'all. But my God is an awesome God. Yes, He reigns. Worship sauce. Alright. Now, we got the ground beef brown. I'm finna add this coleslaw mix to it. That's how you gonna get in. That's how you make the egg roll filling. We're making the filling right now. The egg roll, that ain't shit to make them. You don't do nothing but roll them and fry them. The filling takes damn near like 2 minutes to make, damn near, depending on how tall your ground beef is. But I'm adding the coleslaw to the filling right now. Alright, we got the filling and the ground beef all mixed down. Then the next step is to add a little cheese before we start rolling, because we're going to mix the shredded cheese in with the filling, you did? And that's why I say this come in at right here when I add this little bit of Worcestershire sauce and all that shit. This is the Worcestershire sauce, that's what I say for the color. Boop, boop, straight like that. And I tell you, some soy sauce for a little bit more flavor. Eggrolls, baby, the best one. Ooh. Now, it's just like cooking taco meat, low key. Turn it up because you're finna bring it to a boil. I'm finna add a little water to this. Okay, so we got the meat done. That's the filling. We just letting that sit because right now we getting the motherfucking grease hot and we finna get ready to roll the egg rolls. No cap. That's how we gonna come with the egg rolls. We coming like this. Egg roll wrap with a slice of cheese on the bottom. Egg roll, cheese, filling. That's can't really put too much in there, but you can put enough. You know what I'm saying? And you boop, boop. Now you boop. Now we bowling, shorty. It's all about the roll. So y'all can see we got the egg rolls rolled. Now we gotta do is fry these motherfuckers in that grease hot and ready.
Give me some chicken, I eat off the gristle. Give me some beats, I go off the mental. All these little bitches, I fucking dismiss them. All these little kilos, I rap and distribute. Give me some chicken, I eat off the gristle. Give me some beats, I go off the mental. All these little bitches, I fucking dismiss them. All these little kilos, I rap and distribute.
Trap rolls in the making. That's how we coming.
That's what all my life, man. I'm tired of selling coke. Like that nigga baby, man. I'm trying to send it in the scope. But for now, with a 40 in the scope. Thinking they ain't on me, they were thinking it's a joke. Make the wrong move, then we thinking of some dirt. Make the wrong move, then we thinking of some dirt. I see it in your eyes, you a pussy when you shirt. I can see it right now, you're set to take a piss. Give me some chicken, I eat off the gristle. Give me some meat, I